tutti! Hi everybody, this is Annalisa Pompeo from goSicily. Who is following me knows that a couple of days ago my father, brought me from the countryside these beautiful and smelling lemons from his own countryside, and so I can't no make limoncello, especially in this very difficult time. Life is giving us lemons, right? And so sometimes I have some really bad day, but after I already in my kitchen to make limoncello. So my father picked them yesterday or 2 days ago. I'm forgetting the time sense, and so you have to use them right now, because if we let it to pass some day, they will not smell very good. Okay, so I wash them and now we are peeling them with a peeler in this way, trying to have only the zest, okay, not the white part of the lemon. So we are peeling 15 lemons, and we will immerse this zest in the alcohol. I don't know if you are able to find this alcohol. This is the alcohol for food, of course, and is almost pure, 90% percentage of alcohol. Okay, so now we are peeling our lemons in this way. How you can use the other part of the lemons? You can, from some months I used to wake up, and when I'm still without food, so I have not breakfast, I used to let boil half lemon and water, and I make a tea and I drink before to have a breakfast. 15 medium lemons for a bottle that is a liter. Okay, so after I will continue to peel the other lemons, but I wanted to show you how to I will add the other lemon zest, and when everything will be done, we have to cover with a lid and let to infuse for a week. We will see in the second step. Ciao! After almost 7 days, we are finally ready to make our limoncello. Look at this. This is the liquid, the alcohol of the lemon zest, and now we have just to dry the zest from the alcohol. Look, they are very crunchy, and this way. Okay, and now in a pot, so this is the result. And now in a pot we need to prepare a simple syrup made by water and sugar. So I will write on the recipe the ingredients and the doses. So sugar and water that I had already measured. We will put we will put in the stove, on the stove, medium heat, until the sugar dissolves and everything will be like a syrup. Okay, so now we have the simple syrup that you can see here. And when it becomes cooler, is already cold, we need to add our lemon alcohol with the lemon zest infused. Okay, we mix just a little bit. Look at this. It's cold, okay, not warm. We mix just a little bit. The smell is so good. So this way is better, I think. Directly in this way. We are almost done. Oops, too much. Okay, so this is our limoncello. I will save it in my cabinet waiting for you in Sicily, because we will stay together again. We will cook physically together, but meanwhile try to make it at home. Bye!